Guys, welcome back. Christopher Aaron. We have a silver breakout alert this week. You know, a couple weeks ago, we looked at the long-term perspective of silver where it was above that $50 level and it was coming back to retest that level on the generational timescale, that major breakout. Now we're going to look at the short-term perspective. Breakout alert. This is Christopher Aaron. It is May 12, 2026. Buckle in. This market is looking like it's ready to round up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to be notified when these videos come out on YouTube. If you have 1 second to give it a thumbs up, I very much appreciate that. Make sure to follow us on X at iGlobalGold because some weeks I don't have a chance to post on YouTube, but I post quicker updates for free on X. Let's take a look at it. Here is the short-term perspective for silver. Now, we want to pay attention to the high that silver made back in January of this year, the all-time high. And notice how from the high and then following that first major low, silver then made a lower high followed by what? A lower low. Okay, so you can see the series, lower highs and lower lows, another lower high. So that defines a downward trend. Can we talk about that? That should be plain to see. Aha, now look. Just a couple weeks ago, beginning of May, silver made what? A higher low. So it has broken the series of lower lows, and it has made a higher low here early May, and now what? A higher high than the peak that was set in mid-April. So this market is in the process of changing right now in front of our eyes. Another way that we can look at this is to look at the actual trends themselves. If you notice the trend coming back from the all-time high through a lot of the secondary peaks here in February and March, right? And then notice that breakout. So that's a very steep trend. And then we have the secondary trend right here through the peak in April. And we can notice a break of that. So you can see that this market, in addition to now making higher lows and higher highs, is breaking all of the major downward trends. So this is a market that is gearing up. It's gearing up for the next break to new all-time highs. I'm going to get rid of those just to simplify the chart. My best take on the silver market right now, as we're talking in mid-May, is that there's going to be a little bit more coming over the next, let's call it 2 weeks, probably up into this low to mid-90s region. And then from there, I think there is going to be one more back off. And that back off, if you are not fully invested in either physical silver or the silver miners, you have to use the next back off, the next dip, to finalize your silver portfolio. And that back off, I'm convinced, is going to be the last major time to load up on silver before it really starts rounding upward back here toward the all-time highs. Now, in our premium subscription for iGold premium subscribers, we're going to be talking about the specific price levels that I expect silver to come back to on that final retrace that I'm talking about. So make sure to join us in the Precious Metals Intelligence Plus if you'd like to dive in to analyze the specific low, so you make sure you optimize your purchases. After that, I think this market is going to get back into the 90s, a little pause one more time. And then, it should be later this year that this market is challenging the all-time high. And then shortly after that, it'll be breaking out. So we can see the evidence in front of us. Remember, we looked at the series of lower lows and lower peaks had been broken. Now all the downward trends have been broken. The last thing to be taken out is these former peaks in the 90s, and the next challenge of that is coming. And then I think we have that one more dip opportunity coming, let's call it midsummer. So that's the one that you want to get prepared for if you have not finalized all your silver purchases and all your silver mining purchases. If you'd like to dive it in deeper, that is the service that I'm talking about, where we will be talking about the specific levels that I expect silver to hit on the next retrace. That is Precious Metals Intelligence Plus. You get weekly analysis like you're seeing here, but much more in depth, covering not only physical silver, but physical gold itself, the entire gold and silver mining sector, as well as the specific gold and silver mining companies that we are buying here. The exact moment that we buy and the exact moment that we sell. You don't have to wait till several weeks later when the market may have changed and I might happen to mention it on YouTube. You get everything sent right to your inbox by flash updates. If you're a higher net worth investor, you have to understand the power of the private placements that we do. In our service called Elite Private Placements, we invest in similar gold and silver mining companies as in Precious Metals Intelligence Plus, but we're able to get even better terms. We're able to negotiate the shares themselves at a discount compared to the open market. So you often start out with like a 10 or a 20 or even a 30% profit just to start on those investments. And then you get nearly twice as much upside when they continue to rise because you get free warrants on every purchase that you make. This is, if you're a higher net worth investor, you cannot afford to miss the next private placement that we have coming up. I'll be announcing that here within the next several weeks. If you'd like to sit down and discuss your specific investments, whether in physical coins or bars or rounds, or in gold or silver mining companies or anything else in the investment world, just remember, I am a fully independent analyst. I do not take any fees or kickbacks from any of the companies in this industry. None of the bullion dealerships, none of the mining companies, nothing. 100% dedicated to assisting individuals like yourself. So you can book a consultation on the website. We sit down and talk just like we're talking now, except we dial it into your portfolio. I hope you will really take a look at the chart that I showed earlier today, because that silver chart looks like it's a coiled spring. It is stabilizing. It has broken all of the downward trends that we can draw. It has broken the series of lower peaks and lower lows. I mean, a few months from now, guys, this market is ready to go. So make sure you're prepared.